I appreciate you taking a look at this. This is a quick little video on how to make a windsock for your little video camera. I do a lot of wildlife hunting videos, and coyotes in particular, and it gets a little bit breezy out there lately. It's been making a lot of racket. So I've been looking around at different ways to do this, and this is the best way I've found so far. This is the test without the windsock on it. Now here's the same wind test with a little windsock on it. Out a little ways from it this time. Okay, what I've got here is just a piece of foam, pretty thin stuff, some kind of crating stuff. I think it might have been in one of my gun carrying cases. It's a little cheapy from Walmart. So what I do is cut a little thin strip of this off. And then cut this as wide as you want it. Cut it about like that. Then to take some of this double-sided tape. It's Frost King that I just got from Lowe's. I was doing something else with. It's a really sticky, but it's a really thin double-sided tape. I think it's made for weatherproofing windows or something like that. But you can see it's thin, but it's double-sided. And then what all I did was cut the little piece here to length. I'll just do just a real quick one here. I've got the little piece here, and then you just take these, cut off a couple of them, stick them on the end of that, and on the end of this. Then you just peel those off and you stick those on your camera. This is what I did. That little piece right there. Here's the before and here's the after. The microphone on these particular cameras up in here. And that's all there is to it. And what follows is my demonstration on how it works. It is very effective. Probably, well, the good popping racket is gone away. And I've got it real close to the fan, so I know this is really going to work well. Alright, appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think.